Hello guys, my name is Mikey and this is the video for our series where we are trading majors with our multi-timeframe strategy. This is not financial advice, this is my personal strategy which I like the most, and we are trading with ICT SM Trades Premium Indicator, which you can find by typing ICT SM Trades. And this is the premium indicator with alerts and other functionalities. If you still haven't tried 10 days free access, please send me an email to ict.trades.indicator@gmail.com, or you can use the free indicator without alerts and other functions. We have ICT SM Trades Premium Indicator here. With these settings, we have 4-hour time frame, 15-minute time frame, and we have set our trading plan, which is here. So today we are going to USD and NZD USD. So the first pair USD FR. Please watch the video until the end. There will be lots of new information and very useful information. So make sure you watch it until the end. So we are going through last 3 trades. So the first trade that we will be looking, so on the 4-hour time frame we have turned on the filter for filter by daily bias. As we can see, this is the short daily bias on the daily time frame. We have set midterm, so as you can see we are in downtrend. So we are filtering on the short trades. So as you can see here, we have liquidity grab, market structure shift. Here we have our fair value gap, the only one, and this is also the last one. And as you can see, here is some wick, but there is immediately the bounce from that area, so there is no trade here. And as we can see, yeah, there is next trade because this has gone close and bounced again and bounced. So there is no real candle into this area which we can consider and look for trades on the 15-minute time frame. So this trade is invalidated because there is no real entry to the last fair value gap. So next trade is this one. Is the big liquidity grab and market structure shift. This is our last fair value gap. So we have this zone where we are looking for trades, and we have first touch of the fair value gap here. So we are looking for short trades in this area. So as you can see, there is nothing, and here we have closed candle, and we have hit of the fair value gap and bounce from this area, and we have closed candle on the fair 4-hour time frame. So this trade is also invalidated because it already happened. And the last trade, this is the liquidity grab, market structure shift. So we have 2 fair value gaps. The last one is this one, so we can mark this area. Yeah, and this is the hit of the last fair value gap, and as you can see, we have short trade here, liquidity grab, market structure shift. This is the fair value gap where we would normally enter on the start of the fair value gap. Stop loss above the liquidity grab, 1 pip above. But as you can see, again, as in the previous videos, we have liquidity grab to long, so the opposite liquidity grab. This is the liquidity that was grabbed, so there is big chance that it will be going up, and yeah, it is, as you can see. So this trade is invalidated, and we would not enter this trade. Okay, guys. So yeah, we would not enter, and here we can see we have bounce from this area, and we have closed candle below this fair value gap, so this whole trade is invalidated. So USD XFA, there is no trade in the last 3 trades, so let's move on the NZD USD. We will see what we have there. So last 3 trades, this is the first, second, and first one, second, and the third one is very old one. Yeah, this is from previous year, so as you can see there is no real touch of the fair value gap, so we would not consider this trade. So we would look only into these 2 last trades. So this one, what we have here, liquidity grab. This is the market structure shift about this local zone, and we have this only one fair value gap, so we would consider this for looking the long trades. And here we have the first touch, and yeah, here we have the first long trade. As we can see, the entry would be in the London session, which is marked with this blue background, because I have turned off show session, and London session and New York session by default is active. Okay, so this is the liquidity grab, market structure shift, and because we have no fair value gap, we would enter on the order block. So after market structure shift, we would set limits, so we would set alert for long market structure shift trades, and when this forms, we would get alert, and we would set buy limit here on the order block. We would set 1 pip below this liquidity grab. It is 1.3, and we would got hit here, and we would have our stop loss moved to break even right here, and as we can see, this would be break even. Okay, guys, so this would be break even with a 100% position. So this is it for this trade, and we can look at the last trade of this pair, which is right here. So liquidity grab, market structure shift. This is the second fair value gap is our last fair value gap. So we would consider it from the beginning of the second fair value gap to liquidity grab. It's our zone for looking for long trades. Okay, and as we can see, yeah, there is no long trade here. There is some red fundament here. What was it? Yeah, unemployment rate. So as you can see, there is no long trade, and stop loss or liquidity grab is hit on the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, there is no trade on the NU. So far we would have no stop loss, guys, and we would have no stop loss, guys, and we would have on EU we would have 1 to 4R. On UJ we would have 3R together. On AUD USD we would have 4R together, and no stop loss, guys, of course. Yeah, so this is 4R together, 4R, AUD USD, and on the GU USD CAT, and on the USD and on NU there were no trades, guys, so we would have no stop loss, only take profits. This is a conservative long-term strategy, my favorite one. So I love going only by the trading plan, and if you want to be long-term profitable, so you can inspire by this strategy. So again, this is not financial advice, this is my only personal strategy. You can inspire by it, or I like it when we have more confirmations, so 4-hour confirmation, 15-minute confirmation, and so on, guys. So in the next video of the series, we will look again in the major pairs, and we will look into the new trades that were formed. So guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for more content, and have a nice day, guys.